and welcome to another MySQL error video. Today we are going to explore MySQL's error 1175, which is you are using safe update mode, which says you can't update a row. Let's head over to MySQL now and see where this error comes up. So if you've watched my previous video, which references the customers and sales database, you'll be pretty familiar with this, but if you're not, here's a quick tour. This is a really basic database which only contains two tables. It's a customers and sales database, and we've got, as you might guess, a customers table, an orders table, and we've got a primary foreign key relationship on those two tables on the customer ID column between them. So we are just going to be looking at a simple error today, which happens when I try and update a row in one of my tables to change an order item's name. So I had previously got an item in here that I think it was just tea, and I'm just updating that bit of data to be green tea. So let's execute this query and see what happens. Uh-oh, I've got a red X. My error code is 1175, you are using safe update mode and you tried to update a table without aware that uses a key column. Okay, so this is basically MySQL saying, hey, you are trying to update some data here and I don't want you to accidentally do something that you're going to regret, so I'm just going to make sure that you 100% want to do this. And the reason that it's done this is because at the moment, SQL Safe Updates, which is an important variable in MySQL, is set to 1. That means that it is on. It's a Boolean value where 1 equals true, or in this case on, and 0 equals off. So all you have to do to fix this is simply, if we change this to a 0, type this command, set SQL underscore safe underscore updates equals 0. We're going to execute this, and it says 0 rows affected, and let's just prove that it has indeed updated that. So let's execute this query again. And once again, we can see that this has worked. We've got a green tick. Brilliant. We have updated a couple of rows in our table because we are now able to update our tables without that SQL Safe Updates variable getting in the way and saying, no, you're not allowed to do that. So a simple, really quick video from me today, just on that one variable, but I know it does come up, especially as you practice your CRUD statements, your create, update, and delete statements. So if this comes up, now you know how to fix it. Thanks so much for joining me today. I think my next video is going to be a little bit of a compare and contrast video where we look at the persistence of data and changes to your data that you create in Python versus MySQL. What are those differences and why are they important? So I'll see you next time.